Welcome to our informative guide on choosing the best meats for a diabetes-friendly diet. Living with diabetes requires careful dietary decisions, especially when it comes to protein sources. Not all meats are created equal. Some can spike blood sugar levels and impact heart health, which is a significant concern for those managing diabetes. In this video, we'll explore 7 types of meat that not only tantalize your taste buds but also help maintain healthy blood sugar levels. These selections are lower in unhealthy fats and rich in essential nutrients, making them ideal for a balanced diet. Join us as we dive into these delicious and nutritious options that support your health goals. Whether you're looking to diversify your meals or make smarter choices, this guide is here to assist you in crafting a diet that complements your lifestyle and enhances your well-being. Stay tuned and discover how you can enjoy flavorful dishes while prioritizing your health. Let's embark on this journey to better eating habits together. 1. Skinless chicken breast. When it comes to managing diabetes, dietary choices play a vital role in maintaining balanced blood sugar levels and overall health. Among the various food options, lean meats like chicken and turkey stand out as beneficial choices for people with diabetes. These meats are not only low in calories but also rich in essential nutrients, making them ideal for a diabetes-friendly diet. Chicken and turkey are rich in vitamins like B6 and niacin. Vitamin B6 is essential for brain health and helps produce neurotransmitters, while niacin plays an important role in converting food into energy and maintaining healthy skin and nerves. These nutrients contribute significantly to metabolic health, which is especially important for people managing diabetes. The mild flavor of chicken and turkey makes them versatile ingredients that can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes. They can enhance the nutritional value of salads, soups, stir-fries, and roasts without overpowering other flavors. This versatility allows for creativity in meal preparation, ensuring that meals remain nutritious and delicious. One of the main benefits of including chicken and turkey in a diabetes-controlled diet is their impact on blood sugar. Unlike carbohydrates, these lean proteins do not cause blood sugar spikes, making them a safe choice for maintaining stable glucose levels. When combined with non-starchy vegetables or alternatives like cauliflower rice, they can create balanced meals that help control hunger and improve blood sugar regulation. What's more, these lean meats provide a significant amount of protein, which is essential for muscle maintenance and overall health. Protein is known to promote satiety, reduce overeating, and aid in weight control, an important aspect of diabetes care. In short, there are many health benefits to including chicken and turkey in a diabetes-friendly diet. Their low-calorie content, rich nutrient profile, and ability to maintain stable blood sugar levels make them great choices for people looking to effectively manage their diabetes. By pairing them with the right side dishes, such as non-starchy vegetables, people can create satisfying meals that support their health goals. As always, it is recommended that you consult with your healthcare professional or a dietitian to tailor your diet choices to your individual health needs. 2. Salmon. In the quest to manage diabetes effectively, choosing the right protein sources is crucial. Among the top recommendations for diabetics are salmon and lean cuts of poultry, such as chicken and turkey. These options not only support stable blood sugar levels but also contribute to overall health benefits. Salmon, a nutrient powerhouse. Salmon stands out as a highly beneficial protein for individuals managing diabetes. This fatty fish, along with others like anchovies and sardines, is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are renowned for their protective effects against type 2 diabetes. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, enhance insulin sensitivity, and may lower the risk of heart disease, a common complication associated with diabetes. Furthermore, salmon provides a choline. Cuts of chicken and turkey also offer excellent protein choices for diabetics. These meats are low in saturated fats, which can be beneficial for heart health. They provide high-quality protein necessary for muscle maintenance and repair, essential for individuals with diabetes who may face challenges with muscle mass due to insulin resistance. When preparing chicken or turkey, it's advisable to remove the skin to further reduce fat content. These meats can be incorporated into various dishes, from salads to stir-fries, providing flexibility in meal planning while supporting blood sugar management. 3. Pork tenderloin. Pork tenderloin has emerged as a popular choice for those seeking a healthier alternative to traditional pork cuts like bacon or sausages. Known for its leanness, pork tenderloin offers a nutritious option that aligns well with dietary needs focused on reducing saturated fat intake. This cut of meat is increasingly recommended by health professionals for individuals aiming to maintain stable blood sugar levels and ensure adequate protein intake, which is essential for muscle repair and overall well-being. The nutritional profile of pork tenderloin is particularly appealing due to its low saturated fat content. Consuming foods low in saturated fats is crucial for managing cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Moreover, its high-quality protein content supports muscle maintenance and repair, making it an excellent choice for those adhering to a balanced diet. One of the standout features of pork tenderloin is its versatility in cooking. It can be prepared using various methods that are compatible with a diabetic-friendly diet. Grilling and slow cooking are two popular methods that enhance its natural flavors without the need for excessive oils or high-calorie sauces. These cooking techniques help retain the meat's tenderness while ensuring it remains a healthy component of any meal. Pairing pork tenderloin with low-carbohydrate vegetables can further enhance its health benefits. Vegetables such as spinach and zucchini are excellent companions, providing essential nutrients and fiber that aid in stabilizing blood sugar levels. This combination not only ensures a balanced meal but also supports dietary goals aimed at reducing carbohydrate intake. Incorporating pork tenderloin into one's diet can be a strategic choice for those looking to improve their nutritional intake without sacrificing flavor or satisfaction. As dietary preferences continue to evolve towards healthier options, pork tenderloin stands out as a meat that meets both taste and health criteria. In conclusion, pork tenderloin offers a lean, nutritious, and versatile option for those aiming to adopt healthier eating habits. Its benefits extend beyond just being a low-fat protein source. It also complements a variety of cooking styles and dietary plans, making it a valuable addition to any health-conscious kitchen. 4. Filet mignon. Filet mignon, a premium cut of beef, is often regarded as a luxurious choice for meat lovers. However, for individuals managing diabetes, the consumption of red meat can pose certain challenges due to its potential impact on blood sugar levels and cardiovascular health. Nevertheless, when consumed in moderation, filet mignon can be a part of a balanced diet. Filet mignon is known for being one of the leanest cuts of beef, characterized by its low visible fat content. This makes it a preferable option for those who need to manage their fat intake carefully. The cut is rich in essential proteins, which are vital for muscle repair and energy maintenance. These proteins play a crucial role, especially for individuals with diabetes, as they help maintain energy levels without causing significant spikes in blood sugar. The method of preparation is a key factor in ensuring that filet mignon remains a healthy choice. Grilling or baking the meat, rather than frying it, helps to minimize additional fat and calorie intake. These cooking methods also help retain the natural flavors of the meat while keeping it tender and juicy. Pairing filet mignon with non-starchy vegetables such as broccoli or cauliflower can create a well-rounded meal that supports blood sugar control. These vegetables are low in carbohydrates and high in fiber, which aids in stabilizing blood sugar levels. Additionally, they provide essential vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall health. It's important for individuals with diabetes to consult with healthcare providers or nutritionists when incorporating red meat into their diets. While filet mignon can be enjoyed occasionally, it is crucial to balance it with other protein sources such as fish, poultry, beans, and legumes that offer heart-healthy benefits. In conclusion, filet mignon can be part of a healthy diet for individuals with diabetes if consumed responsibly and prepared healthily. By focusing on lean cuts, mindful preparation methods, and balanced meal pairings, one can enjoy the luxury of filet mignon without compromising their health goals. 5. Skinless white meat turkey. In the realm of diabetes management, dietary choices play a pivotal role in maintaining stable blood sugar levels and overall health. Among the plethora of protein sources, skinless white meat turkey emerges as a standout option for those seeking a nutritious and heart-friendly diet. Unprocessed turkey breast, devoid of skin, is celebrated for its lean protein content. It is remarkably low in fat and completely free from saturated fats, making it an excellent choice for individuals aiming to protect their cardiovascular health. The absence of saturated fats is particularly beneficial, as these are known to contribute to increased cholesterol levels and heightened risk of heart disease, a common concern for those with diabetes. In addition to its heart-healthy profile, turkey breast is packed with essential nutrients that support various bodily functions. It is a rich source of niacin and selenium. Niacin, also known as vitamin B3, plays a crucial role in converting food into energy and maintaining healthy skin and nerves. Selenium, on the other hand, is a powerful antioxidant that supports the immune system and helps prevent cellular damage. For those managing diabetes, the impact of diet on blood sugar levels is a constant consideration. Turkey breast offers the advantage of being low in carbohydrates, thereby having a minimal impact on blood glucose levels. This makes it easier for individuals to maintain stable blood sugar levels without the spikes that can occur with higher carbohydrate meals. Preparing turkey breast at home allows for control over added ingredients, ensuring that no unnecessary sugars or carbs are introduced. Utilizing herbs and spices can enhance the natural flavors of turkey without compromising its health benefits. This approach not only preserves the nutritional value of the meal, but also aligns with dietary recommendations for individuals with diabetes. In conclusion, skinless white meat turkey is a versatile and health-conscious choice for those managing diabetes. Its lean protein content, absence of saturated fats, and rich nutrient profile make it an ideal component of a balanced diet. By incorporating turkey breast into meals, individuals can enjoy delicious and satisfying dishes while supporting their health goals. 6. Skinless duck. The nutritional benefits of skinless duck, a lean protein source. In the realm of culinary choices, duck meat often stands out for its distinctive taste and versatility. However, beyond its flavor profile, duck meat, particularly when consumed without the skin, offers a range of health benefits that make it an excellent addition to any diet seeking lean protein sources. Skinless duck meat is a superb source of protein, essential for maintaining muscle mass and supporting overall body functions. Unlike some other meats, duck provides this protein with minimal fat content, making it an ideal choice for those monitoring their fat intake. This lean protein helps in controlling blood sugar levels, a critical factor for individuals managing diabetes or those aiming for stable energy levels throughout the day. Moreover, skinless duck is not just about protein, it is rich in essential vitamins such as B6 and niacin. Vitamin B6 plays a crucial role in brain health and mood regulation, while niacin aids in converting food into energy and supports metabolic health. These nutrients are vital for maintaining energy production and ensuring the efficient functioning of the body's metabolic processes. For those looking to diversify their dietary options, roast duck can be an appealing choice. When prepared correctly and consumed in moderation, roast duck offers a richer flavor profile with healthy fats that can enhance the dining experience without compromising health goals. These healthy fats, when balanced within a diet, contribute to heart health and provide a satisfying culinary experience. In conclusion, skinless duck meat emerges as a nutritious option for those seeking lean protein with added vitamins and minimal fat. Its versatility in preparation allows it to be incorporated into various dishes, providing both health benefits and culinary satisfaction. As with any food choice, moderation is key, but skinless duck certainly deserves consideration as part of a balanced diet focused on nutritional value and flavor. 7. Organ meats. In the realm of nutrition, organ meats have long been recognized for their exceptional nutrient density and health benefits. Often referred to as offal, these meats include liver, kidney, heart, and tongue, which are not only rich in essential vitamins and minerals but also play a significant role in maintaining overall health. One of the standout features of organ meats is their high content of fat-soluble vitamins, particularly vitamins A, D, E, and K. These vitamins are crucial for various bodily functions. Vitamin A supports immune function and vision health, while vitamin D is vital for bone health and immune regulation. Vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting cells from damage, and vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and bone metabolism. Moreover, organ meats are a remarkable source of vitamin B12, a nutrient necessary for energy production and nerve health. This vitamin is particularly important as it aids in the formation of red blood cells and the maintenance of the nervous system. For individuals seeking to boost their energy levels and support cognitive function, incorporating organ meats into their diet can be highly beneficial. In addition to their vitamin content, organ meats are known for their ability to aid in blood sugar regulation. The nutrients present in these meats help stabilize blood sugar levels, making them an excellent dietary choice for those managing diabetes or looking to maintain healthy blood glucose levels. For those who may find the idea of consuming organ meats daunting, there are simple ways to incorporate them into meals. One popular method is to mix organ meats with ground beef to create dishes such as burgers or micro-meats. This approach not only enhances the nutritional profile of the meal but also introduces a new depth of flavor. Despite their benefits, organ meats are often overlooked in modern diets. However, their inclusion can significantly enhance nutritional intake and support various aspects of health. As with any dietary change, it is important to consume organ meats in moderation and ensure they are sourced from reputable suppliers to maximize their health benefits. In conclusion, organ meats offer a powerhouse of nutrients that can support immune function, vision health, energy production, and blood sugar regulation. By embracing these nutrient-rich cuts, individuals can enjoy a diverse and healthful diet that contributes to overall well-being. In conclusion, incorporating the right types of meat into your diet can significantly aid in managing blood sugar levels and promoting a healthier lifestyle for those living with diabetes. From lean cuts like turkey and chicken to nutrient-rich options like organ meats, each choice offers unique benefits that help maintain stable blood sugar levels while supporting overall health. Now that you are equipped with this valuable information, it's time to get creative in the kitchen and enjoy these delicious options in your meals. Before making any dietary changes, please consult with your healthcare provider to ensure these choices align with your health needs. If you found this guide helpful, we invite you to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tips on living a healthier life with diabetes. Share your thoughts or favorite diabetic-friendly meats in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for your support, and stay tuned for more informative content. Stay healthy and take control of your blood sugar. You've got this.